today we will be speaking a little bit about artificial intelligence, Asia's engine for growth, and this is being hosted by the Telecom Review.
When we talk artificial intelligence and the hype for last 2 years in AI, so but for Asia it's very important because it's not AI just a slogan. It's a tool, also an engine for the growth of Asia.
AI companies are moving very fast, but the rest of the society plus government may or may not be catching up fast enough to be able to make the policy and regulation or legislation inclusive and meaningful. ITU estimates that 2.6 billion people are still unconnected, which means that when you develop an AI algorithm or model, they are not included. And it's a huge issue for us. So we have a very huge connectivity initiative to connect the Pacific Island countries, connecting the villages so that their data can make the AI solutions more realistic and inclusive. There are already proven methods and best practices in integrating AI, especially machine learning, into analyzing the networks as well as enterprise size of telecommunication. And for example, ITU has recommendations on, evaluating the intelligence level as well as reference architecture and how to integrate into our future networks.
We successfully completed our digital transformation, moved all of our assets to the cloud. As part of that, we also implemented that consolidated data lake. And in a way, this presents a strong foundation for us to more easily scale up and build the use cases when it comes to AI and Gen AI. Beside the infrastructure and data, which I believe are still continuing to be a key important pillars for us to really develop successful and sustainable use cases, the third pillar is definitely our people. So last year, we also invested some 14 weeks of time to go through the comprehensive training program for all of our digital office employees. We've been talking forever in telco, and we've been doing that, like micro-segmentation and hyper-personalization is part and parcel of telco. Now, how can we be more efficient in delivering the personalized content to our customers? We keep in mind this vision, long-term vision, when we are making decisions right now. Is this AI compatible? Is it AI native? How can this be connected to the holistic AI blueprint?
They're looking for telcos to go beyond connectivity. They're looking for telcos to begin to not only respond to them better, but also, I think, be able to enable them with new capabilities at scale. And so I think where our company has been using AI, and particularly the parent PLDT, obviously it's a natural evolution of our path in terms of all of the data and big data investments we've done and driving from that to analytics. I think with AI now, it's really helping accelerate on the automation side and making sure that in some of the real-time use cases that we have around, whether that be on the customer service part in outbound real-time offers, right? Upselling, cross-selling. It's exciting because you're actually reinventing the way a customer interacts with you, right? And you're changing the way they may order something or configure something or upgrade to a different package. We're having to really understand just what are the guardrails from a governance and a privacy standpoint. If we're the custodian of their data, how that data is used, right? To inform and hyper-personalize and make their experience better, to develop products and services priced appropriately to make their experiences better and deliver value. So
I think it's one of the other things that is very important. I think it was already mentioned a bit. It's the having an AI native infrastructure. Because the big players now have some legacy system that we call industry standard systems, and build AI on top of them require sometimes completely different hardware. You need to tackle things from a different angle. Skill floor went a bit down thanks to the LLM to approach AI. Before it was all math and statistics. Now you can approach already by a simpler way, but the skill ceiling is still very high. It becomes more and more complex where the domain knowledge is very, very important. Not anymore in the phase of data processing like it was in the past, where data processing was the most important part of the AI process. Now, actually, I would say that AI evaluation became the most important aspect of AI.